I knew it. I told you since Saturday when I made that video, emergency. I already predicted what today, Monday, October 9, is happening. The markets have been opening here in the United States. We're seeing, take a look at this Bitcoin, $27,000, Ethereum on the $1,600, Cronos, 4 cents, XRP, 49, and Shiba Inu, 506. What's going on, everybody? Obviously, the war in Israel right now with Palestine, it's affecting the markets right now. And I needed to wait for this brand new morning for us to understand how bad it is and the effect it's going to have in the crypto space. And I was right. I mean, I knew, right, that this is directly going to impact crypto. Maybe not when it's happening because that's when people were like relaxing the weekend. But now that it's a brand new, market day, it's gonna occur, and we're seeing a 6% drop for Shiba Inu. So all Shiba Inu holders watching, how you guys are feeling? Strong, right? I mean, that horizontal line that I have right there for you, that is a 100% retracement from the top to the bottom. So we are officially right in that 100% retracement, all the way from 408 to 506. Yeah, basically everything gained in the last 2 years has been gone, and we're back at that level. So I think we have to remember that we cannot control this type of external factors, right? And it goes for all crypto. It goes for all crypto. This happens, and I'm gonna show you guys what really is happening. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Early today, bringing you the latest news and updates. Right now, we're seeing a 1.07 trillion in the market. Everything down in the last 24 hours. We have the major, losers: ApeCoin, Sui token, Pepe, Gala, um, Solana, algorand. The last 1 hour right now, we're seeing a lot of drop as well. The This is exactly what's going on right now. Trey, which is a reporter that I follow here on X, and then Mario, which I'm sure that you guys are following him too, with the big, massive live streams and spaces here on X. And right now they have another one, Israel Hamas war coverage. So forget about crypto, forget about the market news. One of the biggest persons that talks about crypto and the legislation and the securities and the compliance, it's not talking crypto today. It's not talking any other things but Israel. Everyone, the world is looking at Israel, and that's what's going on right here. And just take a look at the images. The UN special reporter for human rights in Palestine, we are horrified by what's happening, and we call for a truce. And there's just so much destruction and war. I mean, what else can we say about this? It's insanity. It's insane. And breaking minister Israel order to cut off the water to Gaza. I mean, there has been so much, so much pain that, like I've said in the weekend in my two videos, right, outside my place, the pain that we might be feeling when it comes to the crypto portfolio that we hold, the redness doesn't even compare to what they're going through right now. And if you understand that, then good for you. Good for you. Look, this was back in June when it comes to Shiba Inu, the price. Now we're back here. So this was Shibarium. I want you to understand that this was Shibarium. There it is. And a lot of disappointments per se based on what I hear in the Shiba Inu community. But now you out of war, it's not gonna help at all. It's not gonna help at all. And it's not helping. This was 2022 with the crash, and now we're back at 2021 levels as well. 2021 levels when it comes to Shiba Inu. The Explorer, not moving much, but still there, getting some nice transactions. And this, guys, look at the futures, right? When it comes to the market, because this affects everything, and everything affects Shiba Inu too. We have Dow futures, S&P 500 futures, and Nasdaq. They're all pointing red. Just let them open in a couple more minutes, and I think we're gonna see exactly what the market is gonna tell the entire ecosystem. Right now, the cryptos doesn't look as bad, but you know that at any point the price of Shiba Inu can drop even lower as it did. And maybe, it could be more opportunities for people to, dollar cost average if that's kind of what you are looking for right now. In the 1 hour, we're seeing red, and it all started at 4 a.m. today. 4 a.m. today, Central Time here in Texas. We were consolidating roughly and nicely. We were talking about it yesterday's live, but now 6%, and now kind of came up a little bit. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here because it's the market, right? And Bitcoin also dropping roughly 1.76%. So not much, but I mean, the gain that we had, it's basically all gonna be most gone. The one in October. Let me show you. We come to 1 day here and we look at October, the beginning of October, it's this. So right here, this was 26,000. So if Bitcoin continues dropping a little bit more, all the gain that we had in October is going to be gone. Everything. That is the market crash of a war, right? It kind of what happens. Ethereum. Ethereum, sad to say, but it's already under the Pumptober. Look at this. Ethereum was much higher, and the first day of October was 1600. It went all the way to 1700. Right now it's 1500, so it's less. It's back to September levels. Ethereum is back to September levels. So it's done so far a minus almost 10% since the pump of the beginning of the month, as you're seeing right now on the screen. Take a look at that. So more opportunities to dollar cost average in prices that are much better than the way before just a couple of days, right? XRP, and we having not as bad, but still we have Cronos not moving much, but just down, and Shiba Inu we have Bone at 76, guys. It was coming close to $2 through Shibarium, right? Everybody was so excited, and since then, Bone has lost 57% of its value since Shibarium, all the way down to 76 cents. I'm not lying, I'm just telling you the facts. You're seeing and watching right now what, in part, what Shibarium did, the disappointment by some people in the Shiba Inu community, and the war, everybody, that cannot believe so many missiles directed at major missile strike against these places with 120 missiles. Savages. I mean, it's just insane. But what else can we do? Not much. Not much. So this is what is happening for Shiba Inu. Let's go back to the 1 day and see what the price is gonna be like. There you go. There's a lot happening here. So there it is. Will Shiba Inu go lower? We just got to see. But as of right now, crashing deliciously. And let's wait for the comeback. Hopefully, we could have something major coming up in the short term. But as long as this war continues, all the eyes of the public, the crypto eyes, are going to be trying to find new answers. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you for watching. Let's have a good week. Peace.